Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I bleached the knots on my 18-inch Brazilian loose wave lace front wig, and I used B2W lightener, and I put everything in the links at the bottom, but I use B2W lightener, and I use 30 volume clairol to bleach the knots. Yeah, I use the powder, B2W powder, and the 30 volume lightener. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I just put it on. This is how it look, the inside, how it look. Mine's just so happy to have the combs that's like the glue on there. All that gonna be washed off. But I'm just bleaching the knots on here. I'm gonna leave it on there for a couple minutes. And I don't have my stuff set up the way I want it set up. This was like a spare moment. But yeah, I'll be back with the finish of my wig. Bye.